Today I'm gonna do a mukbang video. Mukbang. Mukbang. I don't know how it's correctly pronounced, but I think it's mukbang. Today I'll be ordering from Chicken Republic using the Jumia app, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna have rice, but I'm not really sure because there are just so many options to pick from. So I'm just going to settle for the referral dodo. That's jollof rice, plantain, and then chicken. So just one plate is enough for me. Then I also like their pasta salad. I like that coleslaw, but this is my first time trying the pasta salad, so let me give it a shot. Okay, yeah, it doesn't cost so much, So the referral dodo and this is just costing 1,350 plus delivery. Thank you. Hello everyone. It's been a long time. I've made a video. So today I thought to myself, I'm about to eat. Why not just make a video? Lately I've been watching a lot of mukbang videos, and I kind of like some of them. And today mukbang. Okay, enough of the talking. So today I'm going to be having Chicken Republic jollof rice. Some of you are still asking if I'm still on my weight loss journey. Yes, I'm still on my weight loss journey technically, but the thing is, I do intermittent fasting because I have a really spontaneous schedule right now, and I can't really commit to the gym. So I do intermittent fasting when I get to eat once a day, and and I try to eat what I really like. So today I'm going to be having Chicken Republic. I already ordered it from Jumia app. Wow, for some reason this guy tried it like, wow. Okay, so this is too difficult for me to open, so I'm just going to tear it off. So I ordered salad, but I'm surprised that I'm seeing Moinmoin here. And I don't know if the order was mixed up. I ordered jollof rice too, and I ordered macaroni salad or something. I'm really surprised I'm seeing Moinmoin because I didn't order from Moinmoin. For those who don't know, Moinmoin is a Nigerian dish made with beans. It's washed and blended, and then other ingredients are added, and then it's made into like a pudding. Now the thing is, I am feeling kind of sorry, it's lucky. I'm feeling somehow, should I eat this or should I call them? I can pay for it though, but I'm just going to keep this aside first. I'm going to be having it today with water because I've cut out soda from my diet. So water for me. Okay, so today I'm having jollof rice. This is Nigerian jollof. Nigerian jollof. And Chicken Republic makes really good jollof. And then this is macaroni. You can see it has like macaroni in it. You can see that? Can you see? Okay. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, so the jollof rice, let me see. The jollof rice is actually really nice. It's really, really good. It's really, really good. I'm not really happy about the part of chicken I was given today, but I love wings, so it works. Look at it. It's well fried. It's well fried. Even brown. I love that. So, so I'm just going to put this here and let it go together. Really nice. Okay, so a lot has been going on with me. Work, laziness, lots of laziness. Lots of laziness. One thing I've learned is, as a big person, sometimes we tend to chew really fast, and then it makes us consume more food. But I've learned that chewing slowly would also help you fill up more faster. This actually tastes nice. Actually, this is my first time having this macaroni salad. I always just have the coleslaw. I always just have the coleslaw. And, well, I'm not one to try things so easily, but this is really good, especially when you mix it together. It's really nice. Really nice. I love it. Okay, so, you know, a lot of people are asking, oh, are you still working out? Well, you know, I had a gym routine early last year. Then COVID happened. And when COVID happened, I want to see the right. When COVID happened, gyms were closed off. So I couldn't go to the gym. So I used to work out at home initially, but then I stopped. And eventually, the lockdown was released here in Nigeria. And I've been trying to get back to work. And it's kind of like been busy. So my workout routine is actually non-existent. But I still do some walks. Maybe when I'm coming back from work, I'd rather take a walk and get on a bike. Then I also do the intermittent fasting. I do the 16-8 for now, which means for 16 hours I don't eat, then for 8 hours then I eat. I don't know what works for you, but for me this tends to work. I might not be losing weight so rapidly, but I'm also not gaining weight. So for now, I'll stick with this. Eventually, I'll start going back to the gym. This is really nice, I must confess. It's really nice. There's tomato in it. There's cucumber, the green peas, then there's cabbage. Yeah. What's that? I don't know what that is, but it tastes sweet. Maybe I don't know what that is, but it's really sweet. I don't know what that is, but it's really sweet. Now, should I eat this? I could pay for it, because if someone were to wrongly deliver my order to somebody's house and you go there to collect it, I'm not going to take it back, as long as it's been with somebody else. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So I'm not going to take it back. So I guess I would eat this and then I would chat up support on the Jumia app and let them know what happened. And then if I have to make a payment for this is about 300 naira, so it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. So this jollof rice has to be like one of the best I've had from Chicken Republic. It has that smoky feeling, you know, that smoky feeling you only get from party jollof. I honestly don't know what's in this macaroni salad, but it's really sweet. It doesn't taste familiar. I like it. I like it. You know what? Let's try the Moinmoin with the rice. There's also egg on it. Egg. So it's not fantastic, but then okay. I normally don't like beans pudding because it's always too filling and I get thirsty. Whenever I eat something that has beans, I always drink water all the time. There's no light right now, so you can see that I'm sweating. I'm sweating right now. So now I'm taking Moinmoin. This is a big bite, And I'm taking Moinmoin. There's Moinmoin, there's Jollof, there's a little bit of salad. Mmm. Really nice. Really, really nice. Mmm. I'm going to take another big bite. I'm going to take another big bite. Another big bite. Mmm. Really nice. I like it. Well, I guess God has a way of showing you things that you like, even when you don't know you might like it. I wouldn't have normally ordered from Moinmoin. Like, never. Like, never. Yeah, I'm going to take another big bite. So, that's really nice. Really nice. Wow. Ah, I love water. I feel like water can be so refreshing. I love water. Wow, the chicken is always the highlight for me. Let me have a little bit of a small noise. It's really nice. Well, it gets nicer when I had it the first time. It's nice. But I think there's tomato paste in there. So this taste has. Well, about enough. About enough of it. This is always the highlight of my meal. The chicken. The chicken. It's wings. It's wings. Okay. Can you see that? I love wings. It's well seasoned. It's well seasoned. Wow. So, I intend to go back to the gym. I actually like working out a lot. There's this strength to feel, you know? So, I like working out. Yeah, and eventually I'll go back to the gym. But for now, I'll just do the intermittent fasting and then pray that, you know, I get to sugar some pounds. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. Chicken Republic hands down makes the best chicken. They do. It's tasty. I like it. I like it. Seriously. Well, I could record more mukbang videos. Although I feel like I wanted to really talk a lot to you guys today, but The taste of the food is so distracting. I'm not talking as much as I would love to. What's your favorite part of chicken? I think I love wings so much. I love chicken wings. Mm. This was really good. So maybe if I get comments, I might record more mukbang videos or not. But I enjoyed doing this, and yeah, the food was good. Alright, so till I come your way another time, keep living your best life.